I have had this reverse osmosis countertop system for a few years now, and I just absolutely love it. When I was looking for reverse osmosis, I wanted one that I didn't have to do any installation. I just wanted to be able to put it on the counter and start using it, and this is perfect for that. I can take it to another home someday when I move. It's not staying here permanently. And when I did all the research, AquaTru came out on top as far as the options go, the third party testing. I was just really comfortable with going with this system after reading up on everything. And I can say I've absolutely loved it. I was a little bit paranoid that I wouldn't like the taste of the water. And it turns out I absolutely love the taste of this water. It's so much better than what I used to get from my fridge filter. This is so easy to use, easy to maintain. You can see on the front of my unit, I'm actually about to replace a couple of the filters because it's time, and it's also telling me I need to put more water in the back. And that brings up a point that I was confused about before I got this system is I know you fill up the back tank and it filters into the front tank, but I was a little bit confused about the fact that you always have to empty the back tank. I wasn't sure where the discard went. And so how it works with this machine is that when it's done filtering, it'll let you know you have to take the back tank off, dump it fully out, and then refill it with water. It's no big deal, but it doesn't have any place to drain to, like a system that's installed under the sink. So that is an extra step. You do have to keep emptying it and then filling it back up. But it makes wonderful water for you, really easy to use. And then one last thing I will say that I love about this unit is the output from the spout is fantastic. I can fill up my 40-ounce Stanley in about 10 seconds. Whereas my fridge, I used to have to stand there for a minute or two waiting with the slow output for it to fill up my entire 40-ounce Stanley. So I have absolutely loved how easy this is to use, and I think every household, regardless of your water quality, needs something like this. So if you do not already have a system and you're looking for something that doesn't involve installation, you should get this. It's absolutely fantastic. I don't think you're going to regret it.